I have a lot of slime from like slime conventions, and they were all, honestly, a lot of them are melted, and I could just tell like which ones are messed up, like this one. So I think I could make something cool out of this. This is actually so old, and we'll get like one more. Okay, this one. Let's do these three. Okay, so I got some dope slimes, Audi slimes, and 2 kawaii slime. All these slimes are legit melted. Ice cold lemonade. This is probably the one that's the least melted. And then this one is from Audi Slimes from legit like a year ago. This is so old. It is basically glue already too. This one is Ice Cream Trio. Oh my god. Okay, this one right here is gonna need some work. This one looks like it needs some help, honey. So we're gonna start off with this one. Right away when I saw this, I was like, okay, right off the bat, gingerbread vibes right away. Ooh, that's probably a lot of borax. Okay, this is actually coming together really fast. Since it has clay in it, I feel like it's a little bit harder to mix just because the clay chunks. Oh my god. I think I overactivated this one. Smells like Christmas. This is scented like gingerbread cookies, and it smells so good. It smells like you just baked some fresh cookies. What is wrong with my voice? Oh my god. Since this is a little deflated, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually fill the bottom up a little bit with some white slime, kind of making it look like the gingerbread house is sitting on top of snow. Just a little bit though, like something like this. We're gonna put some sprinkles on. I also have these really cute like gingerbread people, gingerbread men, gingerbread houses have candy, so that'd be cool to sprinkle some of these on top. Some jelly beans. Okay, I'm obsessed. This totally reminds me already of a gingerbread house. What a cutie. I'm actually living, you guys, that literally took like 2 minutes. This smells so good. This was actually cow cream, which is one of my favorite slimes ever. What the heck? This is like crazy thick. Oh wow. I don't even want to add a scent because I just love this scent so much. It's a little bit on the soft side, but that's good because I'm turning this into a foam. The good thing about this is that it's a white based slime and you can do whatever you want with this. So I'm taking some white and red foam beads. This scent is so bomb. Even now, you guys, this is so old. And it smells so good. I actually have these little heart sprinkles that are for Valentine's Day usually, but I think it actually goes perfect with the whole candy cane thing. And I have some little snowflakes. I think this one is by far my favorite. Dope Slimes is the last one. This is a lemonade one. And when I saw this, I was like, what can I do Christmas related to a yellow slime? And then I thought I could just add blue to it and it'll turn green. So I was like, hey, let's make a Christmas tree. This one's definitely gonna fog up because it is a clear one. I made her a little bit thick because y'all already know when you're making clear slime, you have to let it sit so that it gets super clear. I think 1 or 2 drops of blue should be fine. We're actually gonna put this in a container. We're gonna let this sit for a couple days and we'll be right back. And my slime is finally cleared up. Even at that, there's like a few bubbles. Okay, so I have some little bells here. It's Christmassy, so I thought it'd be good in there. And I also have these from legit like a year or 2 ago. I'm not even kidding. These are actually Christmas beads. I got them at Michael's over a year ago and I didn't think I would ever use them. What I did right now was I had rainbow beads and I literally just separated them because I don't know, I feel like for ornaments, I don't want to get the white ones in there. And I kind of just want to sprinkle them just like that. I don't want too many. Okay, this is totally what's going to make it Christmassy. One right there. One right there. Okay, last but not least, I'm taking this tiny little star and putting it right there. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. We stand. Oh, wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this slime makeover slash fixing 1-year-old slime. I don't even know what to call this. Making Christmas slime makeover. I don't know what the heck, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas.